All right, we have another topic. It's 8.3 soil uses and soil improvement. So, the soil is an important resource. Soil provides a medium for plants to grow, supporting the roots and supplying water, oxygen, and nutrients needed for the healthy growth. The minerals in the soil are the critical components in mining. We use a lot of metal and petroleum products in our everyday life. The soil serves as the main foundation in construction and road building. Soil absorbs rainwater and releases it later, reducing the flash floods and droughts. It reacts as a filter too. Rainwater goes through many layers of soil, filtering out oil, sediments, and non-dissolved substances from it before becoming groundwater. Soil serves as a habitat for many organisms. Some organisms, such as worms, bacteria, insects, and small mammals, live in the soil. On top of the soil, a large variety of plants and larger animals live there. We use soil in pottery, ceramics, and sculpting. Soil may lose its quality and productivity due to human activities and natural factors. It happens when the soil is deprived of its nutrients, making it less fertile and useless. When the soil is bare, it is open to wind and water erosion. Here's a career guide. Horticulturists are people who work with plants and soil. They give advices on how to improve soil, analyze and develop solutions in farms and forests. What about soil improvement? Soil improvement is a process of making the following aspects of soil favorable for plant growth: their soil structure, soil drainage, and water holding capacity, as well as its nutrient holding capacity and availability. This is because the physical and chemical properties of soil change over time, and the kinds of plants we grow and how we grow them may also affect our soil improvement practices. More organic matter in the soil improves soil structure, filtration, drainage, water, and nutrient holding capacity. It makes the soil fertile, resulting a favorable rooting environment for plants. Soil organic matter also serves as a source of food and energy for a myriad of beneficial microorganisms. Natural or synthetic fertilizers contain plant essential elements aimed at improving soil to promote plant growth. Improper use of fertilizers can cause harm to the environment and damage to plants. Soil pH affects the solubility of nutrient elements required by plants. In general, plant essential nutrients are most available around the slightly acidic to near neutral soil pH values of 6.0 to 6.8. However, there are some exceptions. Iron, which is required in relatively high amounts, is more available at lower soil pH values. Also, both high and low soil pH values decrease the availability of phosphorus. An undesirable soil pH value can limit plant growth as it affects nutrient availability, plant physiological functions, and soil microbe activities. Modifying soil pH values. Test the soil first. If a soil test indicates the soil pH value is not in the optimal range for a growing plant, pH modification may be necessary. Typically, Ground limestone is used to raise soil pH value, while sulfur or sulfur compounds are used to lower it. How much to apply depends on the present soil pH value, the desired pH change, and the amount of clay and organic matter present in the soil. Nutrient disorders can affect the look or health of plants by disrupting internal plant mechanisms that cause the plant to not function properly. It may be noticed as nutrient toxicity when too much of nutrient is available or nutrient deficiency when not enough of a nutrient is available to the plant. Both can lead to problems on how the plant functions and grows. If the soil has the right balance of nutrients, air, water, minerals, and organic matter, the plant will have access to the nutrients it needs to function and grow properly. If the soil is not managed properly, plants are likely to compete for nutrients and resources, making them function poorly due to the nutrient disorder. This can weaken the plants, making them susceptible to other problems. Both soil texture and soil structure influence the drainage capacity of a soil. Adequate soil drainage enables a plant to access to the water, to the air, and nutrients it needs to survive and flourish. Poor soil drainage can inhibit a plant's access to air, water, and nutrients, causing stress and sometimes death. Now, let's go to the conclusion. Soil has many uses. It is a medium for plant growth, helps to absorb rainwater, filters water, a habitat for organisms, and a source for materials for construction and pottery. Soil may lose its quality and productivity for agricultural purpose due to human activities and natural factors. And we can make improvement to the soil texture, moisture, pH value, and balance of nutrients in the soil. I want you to go to page 157 and answer the questions on test yourself 8.3. So you can check how much you understand this topic. All right. See you next time.